The iPhone X comes with a Super Retina display, at 1125 by 2436 px resolution. It boasts a 458 ppi pixels per inch screen, which is the highest density Apple has built so far in 2017. The notch comes with a state-of-the-art facial recognition feature. It is one of its kind in the market and is a unique aspect of the phone. At 1x, the iPhone X is at 375 by 812 pines. The width is the same as the iPhone 6, 7 and 8 but 145 pines taller. This gives us a new design challenge, but Apple has an excellent guideline to let us kickstart the design without going wrong. In the meantime, the benefits of a taller screen are that we have more spaces for content. The iPhone X has two cameras on the rear. One is a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera with f/1.8 aperture, with support for face detection, high dynamic range and optical image stabilization. It is capable of capturing 4K video at 24, 30 or 60 frames per second, or 1080p video at 30, 60, 120 or 240 frames per second. When the Apple iPhone X launched in 2017, it offered some very sophisticated camera technology in its rear camera. The device's front camera is also a very useful imaging tool, especially for those who frequently capture selfies or make video calls. Key front camera specifications: 7MP sensor, f/2.2 aperture lens, 32mm equivalent focal length, auto HDR mode, display flash, 1080p video at 30 fps. Apple iPhone X is powered by a 2.39 GHz hexa-core Apple A11 Bionic processor. It comes with 3 GB of RAM. The Apple iPhone X runs iOS 11 and is powered by a 2,716 mAh non-removable battery. The Apple iPhone X supports proprietary fast charging, so have you got any questions? Comment below, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to receive notifications as I upload a video. So do you think iPhone X is enough for 2020? Yes,